Right, so the first job is the actual little woodruff key. Actually fits in that slot, and it's the same for the other side, which is there. Like I said, dots facing straight up, so it lines up with that gap, and that will slide over the actual woodruff key. So let me get these installed. I've got the tool out, it's just a case of pressing them back in place. Right, so the first one is practically in place. That's flush. Now I just need to do the same on the other side. Difficult to show because they are actually quite fiddly. One's just a little bit up at the back. And they're both in place. No, that's popped out. So that's the first two on with the nuts in place. They've still got to be torqued up. So next one, we've also got the washer beveled on the inside. That goes in. I actually got the wrong woodruff key. I thought it was that one, but it's not. That's for the, I think that's for the primary side. So it's actually that one. Again, always fiddly to get these things in. No, I don't want to play ball. Right, it's started to go in, so I can just tap that one in. No, needs to go a little bit more. Right, so that's now gone on. Right, I've actually marked, unfortunately all I've got is a black marker. So we need to get that lined up. Looks to be right, that looks to be in the right place, and then we can tap that home with a socket. That's going on nicely. That's home. The black mark is still facing up. Right, so now we've got dot at the top, black mark at the top. Now we need to bring in this cog, so the dot here will match with the dot there, the dot there will match with this second line there, and my black mark will fit between these two lines. So that should be yep, so the second line with the dot, the dot with the dot, and the two lines over the middle of my black mark. Right, I was hoping to get the oil pump fitted. I haven't managed to find the actual gasket which fits on here, and then the oil pump slides over. So I need to get that gasket. I also haven't found this outer gasket for the actual cover to fit over. The actual oil seals, there's two, there's one here with a circlip. They've actually been replaced and are okay. It's just one less thing I have to worry about, but I was hoping to get all that back in place, and then next episode we could work on to the actual pistons and start getting the barrels and the tappets in place. As I say, I can't do anything until I've got these two gaskets. So we'll continue on in the next episode and get this finished, and then we can start working on the pistons, get the pistons in place, start getting the barrels in place, and also the tappet tubes and all the rods. So that'll be coming up in the next episode of the Triumph TR6 build. As usual, any comments in the comments box below, you know I appreciate all your feedback, all your comments. Any help on this is a great help. It's an unknown entity to me. I'm just cracking through, doing as much research as I can. There are links to other videos at the end of the video. As always, appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Cheers. Bye.